Hi guys, Dr. Mo here and welcome back to the channel. We have received so many requests asking questions about, is masturbation normal or healthy? So I want to just rest some of your thoughts as it pertains to masturbation. So let's jump right into it. Masturbation is very common among people. We see it quite often. I know that even though many people don't talk about it, they engage in masturbation of some sort at some point in their life. I can tell you that many people believe that masturbation will lead to an addiction. It will also cause you to have infertility. That has yet to be proven. I will tell you also that when a person masturbates, there are some healthy benefits of doing so, and we'll jump into that in a minute. But let's just talk about what that does. When you reach an orgasm, whether it be with masturbation or with sex, your body releases endorphins, and that endorphins is what makes you feel good. And it doesn't matter exactly if you are having sex or if you're masturbating, but ultimately that's the feel-good feeling that many people get. Let's talk about some of the health benefits that have been identified as it associates with masturbation. Let's jump right into them. Masturbation, of course, because you're not having physical contact with someone, it removes the ability to actually contract an STI. Many people don't know, sexual transmitted infections, whereby when you are with someone, you run the risk of associating or catching some type of STI. The other thing is pregnancy. There's just no way that a person can become pregnant resulting from masturbation. So those are two benefits of masturbating versus having sexual intercourse. The other things I will tell you too is that when you think about masturbation, you can also think about the fact that masturbation can release sexual tension. Many times you have sexual tension, it's built up, you act out, and different people act differently when they're sexually frustrated. By masturbating, it removes that frustration and that tension. It also will help you reduce your stress level. Many people will stress out. Believe it or not, a lot of people tend to stress a lot when they don't masturbate or they're not having sex. So masturbation has been one of those things that have reduced the amount of stress that a person encounters throughout their day or week. Masturbation has also helped with body imaging and the way you feel or people feel about the way they look and the way it changes the way they feel about themselves. That is one of the things that I know it may seem a little odd to you, but definitely that is one of the things that have been proven by people that actually masturbate. Menstrual cramps has been reduced with many of the women that masturbate. They have recognized that their menstrual cramps there's been a reduction, and sometimes there have been no menstrual cramps for those women that actually masturbate. Not to mention sleep. We all need sleep. A lot of people sleep better after masturbating. The other thing that's a benefit of masturbation, although it's not a healthy benefit per se, it will also allow you the ability to identify what it is that you like, how you like to be touched. It will also teach you more things about your body, what you need in order to reach a certain level of sexual satisfaction. Those things are benefits of masturbation that you get in tune with yourself, and then you can then tell your partner those things that are beneficial or that will help you reach maximum sexual satisfaction during an encounter. Many people want to know exactly how much is too much masturbation. How much? Well, let me tell you, there are a lot of people that may masturbate once a day. Some may masturbate once a month. Some may masturbate every day of the week, and some may masturbate every day several times during the day. I can tell you that an addiction is only when you realize that you are missing out on appointments, that your masturbation is causing you, it's ongoing, that you're constantly thinking about masturbating, and that you have gotten to a point where you're missing appointments and you're unable to perform your duties during a given day. That could lead to addiction or could be indicative of an addiction. Yeah, but remember that if you're masturbating a lot and it's excessive and it's getting in the way of your responsibilities, then you definitely may have an addiction and you want to see someone. You also want to figure out what's normal for you. Many people think that masturbation is bad and that is causing all these issues, but it is very normal. normal. It's more normal than you probably think, and a lot of people are actually engaging in masturbation. We've talked about whether masturbation is healthy or unhealthy. We've also talked about is it normal or not. We've additionally addressed the actual benefits of masturbation. So let's talk a little bit about the negative impacts resulting from masturbation. The skin around the private parts can actually become broken, irritated, resulting from excessive touching or masturbation. We also have some people that have the inability to become comfortable with being in an intimate relationship with someone and having sexual encounters because they are so used to actually touching or masturbating alone. The other thing would be the fact that many people believe that it is bad or it's negative, and there's a negative stigma associated with masturbation. All these things are definitely things that would be negative in nature as it pertains to masturbation. But again, many people don't realize it, but it's very normal to masturbate. In terms of treatment, if you find that you're actually a person and you believe you have some concerns about the amount or how often you are masturbating, or you have some concerns about someone that you love or care about, then you want to definitely talk to a therapist. Some people, because of other issues associated with their addiction, they are also receiving some type of medications, but do not feel that, or just know that there aren't any medications that's going to make you stop masturbating. It definitely is something that you can treat if you feel like it's a problem, and you can do so by seeing a licensed therapist. I'm Dr. Mo. I hope that this has been very helpful for you. I hope it's been enlightening. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, thanks.